I ain't even okay. We got some little shit right here though.
A little light shit today, man. Yeah, I see it, bro.
Y'all park up over here, man. Y'all got to.
Oh God, you ain't.
Nah, that be his turn.
Nah, he go.
That's your turn. Is clean as hell.
Yeah.
He stopped.
You ain't have to do it that smooth, bro. You ain't have to come in that smooth, bro.
Told
you. Y'all see it, bro.
I got a 100K on YouTube.
Now we got one for you right here, what? Right up.
Slide that bitch, though. You gotta make some smoke first.
This nigga wild, boy. Hell no.
I know, bro.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
Y'all tap into my channel.
Yeah.
Trap 2 A's, 3
Yeah.
P's.
Okay.
Y'all see the shit. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ain't doing
sir.
no more talking. We can take over the shit.
Yes, sir. Y'all nigga gonna check this shit out, boy.
You feel me? And you cannot that deal with it. That's an RT plus.
RT?
Oh yeah.
The RT?
Oh yeah.
The rear end.
Yeah, the rear end, the differential. But really, bro, if
Hell yeah.
If you know how to slide that bit, you can really slide that bit before that shit kick in. Goddamn. RT plus.
Yeah. Nigga, there's like 1,000 models on them shits, bro.
Yes, bro. You already know, bro. You already know Dodge had to snap with like 10 different versions of everything.
I don't even know what the fuck the plug. What is the RT plug? I don't even know what the fuck.
Come on, man. How you dodge that? You don't know what RT Plus is, man.
Nah, I don't know. I seen the price. I said, shit, they give me the RT plug. I got 2 cars, shit.
Light shit, man. Light shit right now, bro. Y'all see it, nigga. What I tell y'all niggas, man? This nigga wild, boy. Nigga on that shit. On that shit.
Where you going?
Nah, he out, bro.
He said he was just gonna just do that.
Yeah.
He said he ain't gonna do that.
Literally, that's it.
He got a brand new rear end on that motherfucker. He got to. That bitch was spoiling. That bitch was You don't get that much goddamn.
I'll tell you, bro.
This nigga said that shit responded.
Yeah. With my boy, subscribe to the motherfucking channel, man. I can't talk that fast. Let's leave this up.
Yes, sir. Oh, don't do it. 12 right there, 12. I was about to say.
Hell nah.
It says, don't
Gotta
even
say
do
this,
12
man.
right there, bro. Look.
Cinco had to say this, man.
I know how being in the SS make you want to get, man. Holding the steering wheel just make you want to. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, holding the steering wheel just make you want to cut up. Then like,
Yeah.
you can slide it, bro. You can slide it.
Yes, sir.
You got the R ski.
Yeah.
You got the R ski. Look. That's my boy Chris. That's how MWB do it, nigga. Yeah. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. We do. Stupid ass. This is what they do. This is what they do.